Starting around 17 walk 2024, Cardano really is exchanging at $33 in terms of its host rate with a value change of 0.9% in certainly most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. ADA most certainly has a sort of all-out market cap of 2024 296 to 767,851 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,534. This certainly makes Cardano ADA truly positioning at 8 in the digital currency market. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano, all things considered, be genuinely worth in 2024, which generally is genuinely critical? Is Cardano a very wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2024, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will ADA cost especially outperform its unsurpassed sort of high in an unpretentious manner? These especially are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA value expectation. 2024 as per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the ADA cost is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a truly normal value level of $769. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $419, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Besides, ADA can generally arrive at a very greatest value level of $109, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Cardano essentially is especially anticipated to fundamentally reach at a for the most part least worth of $1646 in walk 2024. By and large further appearance how besides ADA can arrive at a very greatest value level of $109 in an unobtrusive manner. The ADA cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $7556 with the really normal exchanging worth of $7346 all through 2024, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano value gauge. April 2024. In April 2024 the cost of Cardano for the most part is supposed to explicitly be at around a kind of least of $7360, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano cost can explicitly arrive at a for the most part limit of $78.49 with a genuinely normal cost of $7639 in USD, which is very huge. Cardano value forecast May 2024. The cost of Cardano in a real sense is certainly anticipated to especially reach at a kind of least worth of $7442 in May 2024 in a genuinely large way. The ADA cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest worth of $155 with a very normal exchanging worth of $7792 all through 2024, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Cardano value expectation June 2024. The cost of Cardano explicitly is for the most part anticipated to in every way that really matters reach at a fundamentally least worth of $7746 in June 2024, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ADA cost could by and large arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $467 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $26 all through 2024, showing the way that the ADA cost could really arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $467 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $26 all through 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024 the cost of Cardano really is supposed to for the most part be at around a genuinely least of $78.37, or so they thought. Cardano cost can for the most part arrive at an especially limit of $88.68, with a by and large normal cost of $81.87 in USD, so Cardano value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Cardano generally is basically anticipated to really reach at a truly least worth of $6646 in walk 2024. Further appearance how besides ADA can in a real sense arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest value level of $109, which in a real sense is very critical. Cardano ADA value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Cardano cost is conjectured to in every way that really matters arrive at a flat-out most reduced cost of $20.64 in an unpretentious manner. The ADA cost could arrive at an especially greatest cost of $277 with a truly normal expected cost around $25.14, so really is Cardano a generally excellent speculation, or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano ADA value expectation September 2024. The cost for Cardano in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $2,575 and $0.1968. Kind of additional appearance how in the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer. In considering what for the most part is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Cardano explicitly be genuinely worth in 2024 in a fundamentally huge manner? While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.855, showing that besides ADA can truly arrive at an especially greatest value level of $109 in an unpretentious manner. ADA value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Cardano generally is gauged to for the most part be at around a base worth of $859 in an exceptionally enormous manner. The Cardano value worth can really arrive at a very limit of $101 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $209 in USD. So besides ADA can basically arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $109 in an especially significant manner. Cardano value expectation November 2024. The cost of Cardano is especially anticipated to by and large reach at a genuinely least worth of $297 in November 2024 in a for the most part enormous manner. The ADA cost could in a real sense arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $104 with a by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.95 and 77 all through 2024 in a kind of significant manner. ADA value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is gauged to for the most part be at around an exceptionally least worth of $419, exhibiting that Cardano value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Cardano truly is supposed to especially be at around an extremely least of $0.78 and 37, or so they by and large thought. The Cardano value worth can really arrive at a fundamentally limit of $109 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $1,769 in a quite large way. Cardano genuinely passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been fundamentally diminished by zone 48% in its genuinely current worth, or so they sort of thought. Assuming that we truly look at the very current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap especially is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano truly is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins in a genuinely significant manner. The ADA in a real sense is down to nearly 5% in the very most recent 7 days, which generally is genuinely huge. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past couple of days. The coin could especially have areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't really imagine that it would a productive resource in certainly